This is the camera. The gift looks like some lenses, some other accessories. Oh, this is the kit to connect it to the fuse box, so you can power it up that way. Okay, this is the RGB2 connector. Interesting, I haven't seen that one before. Cool. And this is the rear camera here. Yeah, this is the rear camera with the cable that connects to the front one. Great. All right.